everybody. It's Jason Hall, physical therapist with Beyond Limits Physical Therapy with you today. And today we are going to talk about some ankle exercises that you can be doing. Ankle injuries are very common. There's a lot of athletes around us today and a lot of runners. And Utah is a great place for all of these activities, but injuries do happen, and especially at the ankle. So I'm going to give you my top 3 exercises to help improve ankle strength and flexibility. All right, our first exercise today is ankle 4-way with a TheraBand. So what we're going to do first is plantar flexion. So one way you can do this is to wrap the TheraBand around the bottom of your foot and then point your toes. You'll want to go nice and slow against the resistance of the TheraBand so that you can control the motion better and get a better muscle contraction. Very good. The next one we will do is ankle inversion. So one way you can do this is by wrapping or crossing your opposite foot over, and you'll wrap the TheraBand around the bottom of that foot as well to give the resistance in the correct direction. Very good. Okay, and then for ankle eversion, you'll put your feet right next to each other and the TheraBand around the bottom of that foot. Very good. And the last one we're going to do is ankle dorsiflexion. So we're going to use this foot and put the band over the top of the foot, and you can pull out and pull your toes up towards your leg. For each of these exercises, you'll want to do about 20 repetitions, starting with a less resistant band, and as it becomes easier, you can progress up into more resistant. All right, our next exercise is going to be a calf stretch. And the best way that you can do this is to get a towel or a belt or a strap similar to this, and you wrap it around the bottom of the foot and pull towards you. One thing we want to ensure is we keep the knee nice and straight, and then if we look at the back, we want to straighten up the back nice and tall, and that'll help to get a better stretch along the hamstrings and into the calf. We want to hold these stretches for 30 seconds and do 2 to 3 repetitions on each leg, and that will really help to stretch out the calf muscles and help you get back to your running. And the last exercise we're going to do is to strengthen the intrinsic muscles in the foot. So what you want to do is, with your foot flat on the ground, like hers, you're going to push your toes into the floor, trying to increase the arch in your foot. And you're going to hold that for a good 5 to 10 seconds. And then after those 5 to 10 seconds, then you're going to relax and then try and push your toes and splay your toes out, and then go back into that contraction again. So this exercise is going to be very good to improve the strength of those intrinsic muscles. This will help especially with those of you who have plantar fasciitis. So these were my top 3 exercises to help with foot and ankle pain. If you have any other questions or have any difficulty with these exercises, feel free to call us at Beyond Limits Physical Therapy or visit our website at www.beyondlimitspt.com.